Happy New Year to everybody. It is 2025, January 1st, and I am getting ready to cook my first meal of the year. We are having ham. My bubby is smoking it, and he says the hardest part about smoking a ham is rolling it. That's his comedy, skill. I'm gonna do cabbage, candied yams, and I'm making a Kentucky, whatever it is, Kentucky cake. Anyway, it calls for all of this stuff that you see here. My butter is softened, but I'm gonna need another one of these because I need to possibly use this for the shortening. And I will see you guys in a minute. Butter, and that's 2 sticks. I got 3 ounce, so I should be okay. I need a half a cup of buttered flavored shortening, and that's what we're going to be mixing this and one of these yummy sticks together to make that a half a cup, and then 3 cups of sugar, 5 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla, half a teaspoon of rum extract, and 1 cup of buttermilk. So
be good, man.
All yeah, it's about as close to a half a cup I can get. This is decorative. So now that I've picked my flour up off the floor and the bag first. So anyway, we are using 3 cups of flour, and I'm just leveling that off. Never miss an opportunity to clean. A half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Right there. Whisk it together to be well mixed, and we're gonna set that aside. Butter is 2 sticks. Because this cake pan has these little crevices in there. Seems like everything always sticks. And a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And we are going to cream together the butter and the shortening on a low speed. I preheated the oven to 325, as it says on the recipe. I'm gonna grab that rum so we can get that taste tested. Party Gold. I didn't know what kind to get, and this was like $19.99. I don't know anything about alcohol because I don't have rum extract, but I'm gonna make sure that that teaspoon that we put in there, because it also, for the glaze, it's more rum. So we wanna make sure that the rum is rummified. And let's proceed. Let me get something in, because it's just a sample, and we're gonna do a half a teaspoon, or 1/4 a teaspoon, let's see, a fourth. Do I even have one? Man, this smells strong. If it ain't strong, it smells strong. This is all that it calls for, but I think there should be more. So let's test this rum out just to make sure that it is okay. Yeah, it says that it's superior. I can say that, yeah, it says it's superior. It's superior. Hold on. It's good quality. It's dark. It's vibrant. It's making me hot. And all of a sudden, I feel the need to run around. However, I don't have time for that. I am baking a cake, as you see. I got all of my things out, and I got to get this cake baked. It's not like that Christmas cake that I was baking and I never end up finishing it. I've got to finish this cake. It is imperative. Oh, that's the music. It is imperative that we finish this cake. However, if I don't, divas.com or divas, what is it? Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. It's on Divas. Divas. It's early, ain't it? What time is it? It's hot in here. Whew. Okay, let's get back to the message at hand. I need 3 cups. 3 cups. 3 cups. 3 cups. Can I get 1 cup? Oh, there it is. Oh. If it had been a snake, it would have bit me. Ooh. Is that a joke? I don't know. Let's see. All right, y'all, let's pour it up here. Let's get this. What are we doing with this? Okay, I'm just going to scoop it in. Okay, that ain't 1 cup. I need some more help with this. All right, let's see. All right. We getting that sugar up in the sugar, baby. Let's take some of this while we doing that. Oh, I heard some Mary J. Blige too. That's my song. That's my song. All right, y'all. I'm just about done with this sugar. And then we gonna cream this butter. We gonna cream these eggs. We gonna smack up this chicken. Chicken. We ain't got no chicken. We ain't got no chicken at all. That's 2. I don't think it's gonna be able to hold 3, but we gonna make it. 1, 2. See how many? 3, 4, 5. I could have just poured it in there, don't you think? So 3 cups of sugar, ready, Freddy to go daddy. Now I'm gonna pour some more sugar in here. It's hot in here. Woo! Somebody turn the heat off. No. It's gonna mix to cream it. Just cream it. All right, try not to let the butter cream you, okay? It's creaming on low. Hold on, it said low. I'm on 1. That was air. Ooh, that feels good. Because I'm hot. I'm hot. I can't. Ugh.
It's getting hot in here. I'm gonna take off all my clothes. Don't do it. Don't be good. You're scaring the people.
Add the eggs and the sugar. Mixing each until whatever. Until the bladder is fluffy. Fluffy. Till the batter is that. Okay, so we are alternating between eggs and sugar. So here's my eggs. That is not eggs. Here's my sugar. And here are these eggs. All right, so I'm gonna move this because I think he's on his way back. And I'm gonna get out of his way. He's more in my way than I'm in his way. I'm gonna do this first. I don't want it on high. 1 egg. And some sugar. Just until it's fluffy.
How we get in your bowl?
Now we're just adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and it's supposed to be a 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract, but we're gonna see what we're gonna see. Now I'm going to take the flour, baking powder, salt mixture, and I'm going to be incorporating that into the butter and the sugar mix. And I'm also alternating between the buttermilk and the flour mixture. Uh-oh, she's spiking the cake. All right, now let's get in the pan. Shine, Devin. Be cooking for the rest of the year. We're gonna eat ham all year long. And the girl is so smart, you can't beat me cooking. You're so I got my timer. 129. We are on the last and final step. Once we get this cake out of the oven, I'm mixing 1.5 stick of butter, 1.5 cup of sugar, a third of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of rum. Once your cake is out of the oven, you're gonna let it cool for about 15 minutes. Take the butt of a wooden spoon, poke about 12 holes around it, pour your icing on it, let it sit for a couple of hours, and you have a Kentucky butter cake. It was delicious. You guys be blessed and be a blessing. Deuces. Bye. Oops, do y'all see my 2 cups? I had one for water, one for rum. Fooled ya. I was drinking water.